Hello viewers, welcome to Top 5 Check. With our review, we will assure that you're getting the best product available on the market. Please do check the product link in the description given below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this every day. So without any further delay, let's get started.
Best mini desktop computer. If you're considering downsizing your desk or you're tired of bulky towers taking up precious floor space, it may be time to pick up a mini PC. Don't be fooled by the size. The best mini PCs contain a full desktop computer inside, freeing up more of your workspace and letting you easily take it with you as well. Check out our top 5 best mini desktop computer, then watch for more helpful buying tips and full reviews. Number 1. Intel NUC Kit. Change the game with the Intel NUC Kit, the mini PC with the 6th generation Intel Core i7 processor and Intel Iris Pro graphics. The NUC unleashes maximized performance for intense gameplay or intensive workloads with an amazing new lid along with a redesigned chassis that lets you take full advantage of every gigahertz of the quad-core processor without overheating. The NUS is totally cool, literally. Number 2. HP ProDesk 600 G4 Desktop Mini PC. Give busy workers an edge they need to stay ahead with a PC that responds to the speed of work and opens application right away. Business class security and the management software from the HP ProDesk 600 G4 Mini. This shiny mini PC features Intel Core i3-8100T with their UHD graphics, 630 and 3.1 GHz of processor speed. Windows 10 Pro is the OS of choice here, and there's even an HP keyboard and mouse included. Number 3. Asus Chromebox 3 NC356U Mini PC. With full support of Android apps and Google Play, Asus Chromebox 3 gives you the ability to run your favorite mobile apps with the power of a mini PC. It also comes equipped with a versatile USB 3.1 Type-C port for data transfer, power delivery and DisplayPort functionality, and support dual 4K by UHD display for gorgeously sharp, visualized and powerful productivity. Number 4. Intel NUC 8 Mainstream Kit. 8 Mainstream Kit, fueled by a quad-core 8th generation Intel Core i7 processor with 2.7 GHz of speed. There's a lot of packed into this little unit, and it's up to you what exactly goes in, since it's customizable to your lifestyle, particularly how much memory you'll need. Intel's Iris Plus graphics 655 look vivid and sharp and can support triple displays, all in 4K Ultra HD. Audio sounds are great as well due to the 8-channel output. While fast, responsive and portable-ish, a 3-pound, this is recommended more for users who have built and maintained machines before, as it might be confusing or overwhelming to newbies. Number 5. ASAP-C AK1 Mini PC. The ASAP-C AK1 offers a wide range of unique features for less than $200. The Intel 2.3 GHz Celeron Apollo Lake Quad-Core J3455 powers this unit, and setting up dual display is easy due to the double HDMI outputs. 4K HD video looks great and 4 GB of RAM keeps everything running pretty smoothly. The 2.5G and build is small and light enough, just 1.3 pounds, so it can attach to some monitors for increased space on your desk. But if you want more vital space, there is a slot for micro SD card up to 128 GB and extra customizable options to make sure you're getting the exact satisfactions that are going to fit what you need.
to buy product from Amazon, please click on the link at the description. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel.